Hello Amazon, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and we are checking out some of the funnest products for summer on all of Amazon, and this is definitely one of them. This is the Intex Inflat-A-Bull. Get it? Like inflatable? Inflatable. This is going to be so much fun for kids and adults alike. You can use it at the pool or the lake. Just super fun. Have your own water rodeo. So the idea is you get on and try to balance while your friends grab the handles on the outside of the outer inflatable ring, and they kind of like push and tug and see how long you can stay on for. Challenge yourself. Kids love this, adults love this. It's up to 220 pounds, so keep that in mind as you're using it. But everyone says that it is really, really durable, very sturdy, and just tough. It's going to last. Intex has the greatest inflatable pool toys and lake toys. They do a really, really great job, so you know that you're going to get a really quality toy. If you guys are wondering, you are able to use like an electric air pump, so you don't have to worry about doing this all by hand because it is a really big toy. So don't worry, you can use an electric pump for this. It's super easy, super fun, and everyone is just going to have a blast on it. So I highly suggest putting this in your cart. This is going to be the star of your next lake get together or pool party. Everyone's gonna love it. You guys definitely check it out. You're gonna be so glad that you did.